Let us state the question clearly before calculating. Looking into terminals A and B, where the load R3 is connected, we want the Thevenin equivalent seen by that load. From the previous step, we already know Thevenin is 15 volts. In this lesson, the unknown is R Thevenin. The voltage Vx is the terminal voltage and also the controlling variable for the dependent source. Here is the reference point. With the load removed, Vx is the terminal voltage. So the KCL equation is Vx minus 2Vx over 15 plus Vx over 5 minus 2 equals 0. That gives 2Vx over 15 equals 2, so Vx equals 15 volts. For the current source test method, turn off only the independent current source. A current source turned off becomes an open circuit. The dependent voltage source stays active because its value is still controlled by Vx. Then connect a 1 amp test current source from B to A. Write KCL at the top terminal node. The current through the 15 ohm resistor is Vx minus 2Vx over 15. The current through the 5 ohm resistor is Vx over 5. The 1 amp test source enters the node, so the equation is Vx minus 2Vx over 15 plus Vx over 5 minus 1 equals 0. Therefore, 2Vx over 15 equals 1, Vx equals 7.5 volts, and R Thevenin is 7.5 ohms. Now repeat the resistance measurement with a 1 volt test source. Again, the independent 2 amp current source is open and the dependent source stays active. Put a 1 volt source at terminals A and B with the positive terminal at A. Since Vx is the terminal voltage, Vx is now 1 volt. The dependent source is therefore 2Vx equal to 2 volts. Across the 15 ohm resistor, the left node is 2 volts and the right node is 1 volt, so the current from left to right is 1/15 of an ampere. The 5 ohm branch takes 1/5 of an ampere. KCL gives 1/15 plus Ix equals 1/5, so Ix equals 2/15. Our Thevenin is 1 divided by 2/15 or 7.5 ohms. Both test source methods agree. The Thevenin equivalent seen by R3 is a 15-volt source in series with 7.5 ohms. The Norton current is the same voltage divided by the same resistance, so I Norton is 2 amperes. The rule is the same every time dependent sources appear. Turn off independent sources only. Keep dependent sources in the circuit. Choose a convenient test source at the output terminals, solve for the matching voltage or current, and take R Thevenin as V test divided by I test.